おはようございます。スティーブ的視点のスティーブです。テキサス寒くなりましてね、最近寒くなった。まあでも気持ちいいんで、ちょうどこの気候が暑いよりも寒い方がなんかいいんだよね。暑すぎるってなると嫌だよね。Z の、ことで今、ママのフォーラナーに乗ってアイバンのところに向かってます。もういろんな方のアドバイス、もうこの Z コミュニティの方からのアドバイスと、スティーブさんこれはどうですかとかいろんなアイディアなどなどこうたくさんいただきまして、でもう嬉しいです。嬉しい。皆さんのアドバイスとを基づいて、なるべく、いい方法、そして早くこう解決できる方法、を考えている、もうやってるところです。まずその中の一つは大きなやっぱりところがエンジンブロックの中の状態です。それでとりあえずアイバンのところにチビのカメラがないということで、友達のアルさんに、借りてアイバンのところまで持ってて、水のところのそのウォータージャケットというんですか、そのところにこう入れて、中にひびがあるのかどうか、外にはひびがあるの分かってるんで、中まではそのひびが開いてるのかどうかということをちょっと覗きたいなと思います。その結果によってもう今のブロックはそのままもう使えってロバートさんも言ってるし、もう日本のね、詳しい方ももう言ってくれてるし、いろんな方がそう言ってくれてるので、本当はそう中までひびがないことをこう祈りたいですね。でも今日カメラを中に入れてこう覗くことでは多分わかると思います。そこからまず、そのブロック側はどうするかという、他のブロックはあることあるんです。知り合いの方にこうスティーブさんもブロックあるんで、もしよかったらってこうほぼただに近い感じでブロックとかもあるものはあるんだけど、またリビルドとかの話になったりとかって、ブロック自体がピストン自体が今までブローバイとかってああいうのはなかったので、なるべくそのままで使いたいっていう、ことですね。とりあえず R にカメラを借りて、R は今トヨタディーラーで働いてるから、前からもそうなんだけど、そっち経由してアイバンのところへ、そしてまた噂なんですけど、アイバンのところにめちゃくちゃかっこいい車、見たことない、日本から来たバカなのかな、面白い日本車がいるというのは聞いたんで、また面白い発見できるのかな、楽しみにしてます。このトレーナーはかっこいいんじゃないですかね。新作品です。StevePOV.jp と Amazon Japan にもう売りに出てるので、限定品です。すべては限定品で。R はこのディーラーで働いてます。トヨタディーラー。アメリカも普通だったら1年前にこの駐車場にもう1台の車も入らない、それ以上という感じの在庫だったんだけど、これはもう多分スタッフの車の方が多いよね、売り物より。でガラガラです。どのディーラーでも、うわ R3 にスカイラインじゃないですか。 R の車じゃないよね。これかっこいい、すんげえ発見じゃない？トヨタディーラーなのに、俺かっこいい。フォーラナーかな、かっこいいけど車がないです。売り物のない状態です。中古車もそうだし、新車もそうだし、中古車の値段がもう爆発的に高いです。ちなみにこれね、 R さんの車でしょ。 R がこれなんかロールケージを自分で作った、結構自慢している最近。これかっけえ。R のランクルーザーはごついでしょ。ホイールはいいよね。ホイール見てかっこいい。そしてなんかこれ自慢物だよね。最近 R のこのロールケージは自分で溶接と手作りのものだというけど、よくできたね。すげえ。売り物かな。 R はもういろんなもの買って改造して売ったりするから、これだけなんか売らないらしいよね。あるの。いやー there he is. Well, nice welcome. I like that. That was perfect. You knew I was coming, didn't you? Hey, nice roll cage job, man. I like that. Yeah, you did good, dude. Look at that thing too. It's a car. Again, look at that. Full fenders, nice chop. Looking good.
Hey, check this out.
What you got there, man? Whoa! Where the hell did that come from? Yes, it did, didn't it? Absolutely, it did. Hell yeah. Nice, dude. Look at this thing. Dude, that's clean, huh? It's the classic red and white. Nice. Not bad. Floors look solid.
So I'm doing the seat covers, putting the
Okay.
OEM stuff on.
Nice.
They put this material I took out of one already.
Yeah?
It's a Chrysler material, the red stuff.
No way.
Yeah, they just put over the OEM stuff.
Oh.
So we just put in the factory gray.
Oh,
All
okay.
these had gray.
This was Chrysler. They'd had Chrysler material in here.
Yeah, they did. The red stuff is a Chrysler material, but all FJ40s had gray seat covers.
I kind of like the Chrysler effect in the Toyota, this classic,
The
huh?
red didn't look that bad.
No, man.
So,
I haven't seen you in a while, man.
I know.
How do I always catch you burping or farting or doing something?
Drinking.
What are you drinking now? You drinking that poison? Where's
Yes,
that? Where's
it's
that?
poison.
You are. Where's that high octane poison?
It's in the trash now.
Already, huh? Let me see the color of that. God,
Call of my piss.
if you better get to a doctor, my friend. You better get to. Hey, you know what though? Speaking of cameras, thank you for lending me this. This is awesome. Thank you very much. I must say, I'm 51 years old. How old are you?
38. I'll be 38.
As you get older, you're going to be seeing a lot more little cameras like this. Not necessarily around cars, but I could see how this could be useful in a number. I just came back from the doctor yesterday, and we were talking cameras, and I was just looking at this thing and thinking how useful it could possibly be. I will make you this pledge. This will go nowhere further than inside the water jacket of my L28 block.
Perfect.
Rが面白いよね。いつも面白いジョークとか楽しくこう2人で、友達なんだよね。いい人です。そしてありがたい。もうカメラも貸してくれて、このカメラもだったら中まではバッチリと。カメラといえばさっき R と間で冗談になったんだけど、もう51歳になって、本当にもう10年ぶりかなに昨日健康診断、受けてきました。結果は良かったですよ。良かったです。スティーブはもう元気だということで、チームもこういろいろ撮ってもらって、あれ全部見てもらったんですけど、一通り、整備、メインテナンス済みかな、チェック済みですよね。大きな、エンジントラブルはないそうです。良かったです。カメラといえば、もうこの年齢だったらいろんなところに、いろんなところからカメラを入れられることとかもあるんだよね。やだね。やだ。アイブのところに間もなく着きます。こんにちは。こんにちは。これはアイブンの近所の人です。人というか動物です。かっこいいよね。テキサスのロングホーンと言います。日本語通じますか？日本語通じますか？こんにちは。こんにちは。車の動きを気になってるやつ。アイブのところに相変わらずかっこいい車がいますね。これかっこいいじゃん。オリジナルだよね。お、日産 I love my 日産。俺も日産ラブだよ。ラブかっこいいね。ホイールが太ってなかなかナイス。どう？シルビア好き？ SX240 240-240SX 好き？興味ある？興味ない？興味あるよ。かっこいいよ。Jake the Snake! What's up? How's it in his office? You got good heat?
Oh, we got the whole shop heated up right
Let me see.
now.
Oh, wow. Oh, keeping the liquid moly flowing, huh?
Yeah,
Nice. Well, you got to keep that oil warm. Huh? I like it. Nice, man. This keeps it going in. Nice. Otherwise, you kept this stuff cold. It's like an oil change would take you about 4 times longer than normal, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. What's up, Ivan?
What's up, man?
Nice to see you, man. It's been a little bit. We gotta get on this engine. We gotta get this resolved. I want to drive this car, man, soon. So How old are you, by the way?
30?
30. You go to the doctor every now and then for checkups and physicals and stuff, right?
I'm pretty sure you go there more often than I do.
No, I haven't. I went for the first time, but as a 51-year-old, you start to see a lot more of these cameras enter your life in the doctor's office. Have you had any?
I still got another 20 years to go, man.
Good. Well, if you want me to educate you on how these cameras are being used outside of engine applications, I'm happy to do that with the camera off after the end of this shoot.
Yeah.
Just because you're my pal and my friend. We really like each other. All right, so last time we pulled out the freeze-out plug, right?
Yeah.
And which is giving us access to the closest spot where... Ivan, you just can't wait to get that thing in there, huh? Hang on, I haven't even started explaining.
Oh, man. I need to give it a little more aggressive angle here.
You need to turn that camera around a little bit more. Basically, what we're looking for inside, we got to get the inside wall over here, right about where you're at. And we're looking for any signs of different discoloration or anything that may prove that stuff is leaking out from in there. Is that looking, are we seeing that discoloration that we don't want to be seeing?
I think so. It's kind of clear.
That's not what I wanted to hear, to be honest with you. All right, Ivan, you almost look like a doctor right now. That doctor who took care of me yesterday had a similar look on his face as you do right now. This is not good. All right.
This is...
All right, so where are we, Ivan, in there? Which orifice are you in right now? Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Is that what we're a little concerned about?
That's our concern.
That's our concern. And you're saying right now, from what you could tell, you are right near where that crack is.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, God. You got the side camera on, and you were looking down, and that thing that looks like a load of duty inside there?
Yeah, and you
That's,
see this?
Yeah.
You see on the bottom?
Yeah. Is that part of the crack, too?
Yeah. That's all the way down.
That's the area we're concerned about, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh.
Twisting it all the way down, and as I'm going down, you can see the crack. And you see how bad is the discoloration right there?
If your crack looked like that, the doctor have you back too, right? Oh my God,
ain't gonna be no toilet paper. Ain't gonna fix it.
That ain't a quick fix. You're spending some time in the doctor's office. Oh, right there. Okay,
yeah.
It's a crater, man. It's a big crack. Oh, so you're on double. Okay, so you're double view now.
Yeah.
And that's our size. That's not good, is it?
No, that's the corrosion.
And you're saying that's where you saw the seepage coming from, which means that crack is through to the inside, which means that this block is...
Womp, womp, womp.
Ivan, that's not exactly the news we were hoping for, is it?
Nah, neither the face you want to see from me.
I was hoping, just like everybody said, if that crack was just on the outside, we didn't see any discoloration on the inside,
We were golden.
we were good to go. But that discoloration on the inside,
It's just confirming the seepage that I had.
seepage, which means oxygen with all that stuff there, caused that corrosion.
Yeah.
I got to tell you, that is not the news I was hoping for today, man. I was hoping...
My face is being ugly today.
Oh, man, your face is... Well, you have a nice face, but it's not a happy Ivan face right now. It's kind of a unhappy, constipated-looking Ivan face right now. That's not good.
I'm in pain right now.
I am too. Oh, man. All right.
Hey swap? Subaru swap? Nissan swap? VQ swap?
I see subscribers disappearing by the second here.
Oh, God.
L, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, L, L. It is L and it's L only.
What about keeping Nissan? Let's throw a VQ in. We can find those VQ everywhere.
I don't want a VQ. L engine, baby. I'm not giving up on the L. Don't get mad at me. It's just
It's just about finding a. It's okay. I'm pretty sure we can find a 150-year-old block somewhere.
I know where there's some, man. We're gonna find one. Oh man. All right. Time to think, man. Time to think.
Yeah.
Ivan, how can you eat at a moment like this?
You know,
I couldn't right now.
these peppers are looking good.
How could Jake?
Yeah.
I feel like just hurling dry chipotle all over the place right now, and Ivan's just chowing down like nothing happened.
Somebody told me
Yes.
when times are rough,
Eat. Can I join you for a chip?
of course.
Thank you, Ivan. This is about as much as I can handle right now.
Oh, just a chip. If you eat something else, you might throw up. It's a hard.
I gotta say goodbye to my L28 block. This is not the ending I was looking for. L28. So at least we know what we got, man. What we got to do going forward. I appreciate you taking the time. I'm thankful to Al for lending us that nice camera. We got some work ahead of us, but we'll see. In the meantime, dude, I meant to tell you, your shop's looking really good.
Well, thank you.
And every time I look around in your shop, I sometimes come across things that I would never expect to be here. And if I'm looking correctly right ahead of us right now, I'm
Yep.
seeing something that I think I need to shoot for the people on the show.
I would
next
say
time.
so.
Would you say so?
I would say so, guaranteed.
I would say so. 信じられない。またすげえ発見したんだよ。すん